Do you want to record 4K 60 frames per second videos with your iPhone? In this video, you'll learn how to record 4K footage at 60 frames per second using your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Camera. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, tap where it says Record Video. As you can see, right now, it is set to record videos at 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. So what you want to do now is simply select 4K at 60 frames per second. And now you can record 4K footage at 60 frames per second using your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.